to our program
Bicara Pustaka Ilmu.
Bicara Pustaka Ilmu.
Sultan Badlishah Library is an academic library located at UiTM Kedah branch. This library is an active information center and provide various services, facilities, and material to its user. Therefore, the Bicara Pustaka Ilmu program will be conducted here with the aim of promoting the diversity of services available in the library with different approach, so that it can bring benefit to all parties in their daily activities. The program will be focused on 4 services provided by the library. So in this video, we will present to you the step in using the services.
For the method of promoting the program, the library has decided to choose 2 promotional tools. The first one is face-to-face and the second one is social media. Face, they will be held from an experienced librarian who will be briefly explain about the services that is available in every booth towards every student. For the second one we decided to go for social media. This method is to be giving an awareness about our current updated information on our programs that will conduct towards every student and visitor.
Firstly, the services provided by this library is online public access catalog, or we call as OPAC system. It is the catalog of the library collection which open and accessible through the internet for the public. It will provide you with the interactive and user-friendly system, easy and quick access, easy through the way of searching and updated information. So let's take a look on how to use this online public access catalog.
Step number 1, go to Google and search for OPAC UiTM. Click the first link. The front page of OPAC will be appear. Enter your student ID or your staff ID and then enter your password, which is your IC. And if you are a guest, you can continue as a guest. Then click submit. Step number 2, this is the search part. Firstly, you can choose either you want the collection from the UiTM Kedah or another UiTM. Put your keyword, such for example, I want the design book. Choose your database, and for your information, if you are familiar with OPAC, you can search with advanced or additional search. Then click the go button. Step number 3, choose your type of sources that you want, either it's book, article, ebooks or journal. So this is all the book that related to design available in UiTM Kedah Library. You can choose which one that you want by click on the title. Step number 4, the library OPAC display the status of the book, either it's shelf or issue, locations of the book and category of the book, either it's open shelf or reference. If the book is a reference, that means you cannot borrow the book only can be used in the library. Step number 5. Next, this is all the related information about the book. It's very useful for the student that learn cataloging. You can use the call number to find the book on the shelf in the library. Next, let's take a look some features that are available in OPAC. Click on My Account to see your information details. Here, you can look at your find you if you have any late return. You also can check your item that have been borrowed by click on the item checkout. In item checkout, you can check for the due dates of the material that you have been borrowed, and also you can do renewal to the item without directly went to the library. So that's all the basic step in using OPAC system online public access catalog.
For printing and scanning, the name itself already tells you what is their services. In printing means that it is reproducing words or image on a paper. It can involve anything from making a single reproduction of a priceless painting to millions of copies of paper. And for scanning, what is scanning? Scanning is presenting on a variety of business, and officer printing scanning is a function that digitalizes print printed document and picture and send to the file computer or output of a duplicate copy of the items via the printer. Scanning really helps printing and bring it to another level, because while you using the printer, you can only get in the another copy. But if you have a scanner helps you to scan the document and it can be transported to inside of your computer, so it is very helpful. The library also provide a disability support under the scanning and printing services. It is that they support a colored paper for users who have disabilities, and they can also ask for help in the main library or at the information desk in the libraries, so that if they have any problem while doing the printing, they can actually get help from the librarian to make sure that nothing bad will happen and make their work much more easier.
Furthermore, for our services throughout our program is circulation and interlibrary loan. Client Services Division is responsible in providing effective services in meeting the needs of users, fulfill user satisfaction, and also providing current information to users. Interlibrary Loan (ILL) is an information-based service for libraries in Malaysia and also available with all UiTM library branch, including UiTM Kedah Library. This service allows customers to borrow original material or obtain copies or materials that are not available at the UiTM library. Customers who are eligible for this service may request the materials needed through the UiTM Kedah Library. Here we are presenting to you some methods using ILL.
After open the OPAC system, go to Interlibrary Loan and then click it. Next, click Add Request. For a lending library, select location of item from the listing provided in order to collect your book on that location. Then, find the details of the book or journal article that you need. Select your nearest library in UiTM to collect the item. Click Submit. Make sure you understand the applicant declaration before proceed to submit this application. Requested indicates that the item in a request status. Approved indicates that the item in a searching process and request to the lending library. Item available indicates that the item are ready to be borrowed. Interlibrary loan items are listed and the item has been checked out.
In this case, we have created some interesting activities related to interlibrary loan for our programs. Activities is 3 books get 2 coupon. They can perform their loan on borrowing their books according to selected sections only in order to win for this activity. Throughout our programs, who have collected at least 6 coupons will be announced as the winner.
One of the services that provided by Perpustakaan Sultan Badlishah UiTM Kedah is online database. Now, let me show you a little bit about what is online database.
An online database is a source of electronic material that provide access to online information. Database available to information users in the public area which might be accessed remotely via an online search service or more locally. Database may be accessed through the online host such as NSDP Online, bernama Newslink, or acquired on CD-ROM through the internet such as GPO Online, BPO Online, and etc. The database can be categorized into reference or source database, and the last one is reference database. Refer or point the user to another source such as document, an organization, or an individual for additional information or for full text of a document. Now, let me show you how to access online database.
The first step is you need to visit PSB official website using this link. Next, you need to click on our collections. After that, you need to select and click on online database category. You need to log in using username and password, and the list of subscribed database will appear. Choose your preferred database. Congratulations, now you are ready to access online database. If you need more tips, you can contact us on this number or via chat with librarian.